Namaste, good evening, and good
Good
morning to sir and people
Yes,
from US.
yes. Good
Welcome to
morning.
another episode of Surya Talks Season 7.
Thank you.
Today we have with us Dr. Ashish Chaudhary.
So basically, aging it is, as I said, it is a progressive deterioration, a decline of our biological processes. It's a progressive decline of our biological processes. So as I said, it is not avoidable. You cannot avoid. Only thing you can do, you can slow down the kinetics. You can slow down the kinetics of the graph. Instead of nosedive, you can slow down the processes. So if
Right.
you can slow down the processes, the onset of the diseases will be delayed. But if you run fast, you will lose your energy first. So basically, you have to tune down your machinery, your clock. You have to tune down so that you can have a healthy aging.
Down the aging process. Apart from the food, would you like to highlight anything else?
So basically, aging is a multifactorial process. Food is one component. However, the thing that killing silently to us is the stress. Stress is the silent killer or silent trigger of the aging process. So, as I said earlier, if you open your eyes and ask yourself, do what I'm doing throughout the day, is it really worth to do it? So that's the question. So you are your best judge. You have
Right.
to tune down. If you run 20 miles, 40 miles per hour, tune down to 30 miles. So if you slow down your run, you can remember one thing: when you run very fast, you will lose the vision of the sight. If you run very fast, like if you drive your car very fast, you will lose your side vision. If you slow down, then you start seeing the nice pictures on your left side and right side. So that's what I'm saying. If you slow down the process, then you will start seeing the beauty of life that you are missing every day. Because I know a lot of people in USA, they're the clinician. They leave 6 o'clock in the morning and they come. When they leave 6 in the morning, they don't see their son. Son is sleeping. When they come back at home around 12 o'clock, son is sleeping. So when we leave, everybody's sleeping. When you come back after the whole day, they're sleeping. And you have a nice swimming
Right.
pool at your backyard. You don't get chance to get in there because you are running after. So slow down your processes. If you enjoy your time with your friends, with your families, and just have fun. Just take a time out and have fun and enjoy your life. Sit down with next to your parents and ask, how are you? When your parents will blush, then seeing you at the end of the day, and when you say to your parents, how are you? They will feel that is, for them, it is a medicine. And for you also, that's the medicine. You see a blush of smile on the face of your parents. First of all, I'm really delighted and really fortunate that Surya Communications and Surya Communications invited me to share my thoughts with everyone, and I wish that Surya Communications the rest of the world, and Surya Communications is doing so well, and they are looking at the different aspects of life, and which basically helping people from stress, from their lifestyle, And so this is amazing platform. I strongly recommend everyone to follow the TRUHEAR Communications and with their upcoming programs, and all my messages regarding the healthy aging are there.